Every delicious meal begins with one simple step. Just start. The best things in life, just like good food, are made with patience and love. Today, we are not just cooking a meal, we are creating memories, one pot at a time. So, this is my oil. You want brownie color. So I'm stir fry it. Adding salt to start. So I added my selective dry herbs. Now the beef goes in. Strong flavors are built one step at a time, just like strong people are built one day at a time. As this beef begins to brown, remember that growth takes time. Be patient with yourself. Your best is still coming. Every ingredient has a purpose. I'm adding vinegar. Adding one beef stock. This is all pepper spices for beef. Every ingredient has a purpose. Never underestimate small beginnings. They often lead to the greatest results. The beef is the foundation of this meal. In life, a strong foundation of patience and consistency will carry you far. Add fresh tomatoes. This is all pepper spices. Listen to that sizzling. It's a reminder that something beautiful is happening, even before you can see the final results. Good things don't happen all at once. Just like this beef, every stage matters before the final masterpiece is ready. This is where the flavor begins. Never give up too early. Sometimes the best part of the journey is just getting started. Now the vegetables joining the pot, adding color, flavor, and life. Every little thing you do today is shaping a better tomorrow. These vegetables may look simple, but together they make a big difference. Never underestimate the value of small, consistent efforts. Before the water goes in, we are building the foundation of great flavor. Success is built the same way. Nutmeg. So I'm adding my hot boiled water for the meat to boil. Now I'm adding one beef stock. Everything is coming together beautifully. Trust the process because the best results come from patience, not rushing. Now it's time to let the meat cook. Some things become tender only with time, and so do we through life experiences. The pot is full of promise. Give it the time it needs, and it will reward you with something worth sharing, just like your dreams. The meat is patiently tender, and now the rice joins the pot. Every new step brings us closer to something beautiful. Keep believing in your journey. Now it's time to add the rice. Just as every grain absorbs flavor, let every experience in life fill you with wisdom and strength. This is where everything comes together. Never give up before the best part of your story has a chance to unfold. The rice may look simple now, but with time, it will become something amazing. Your dreams work the same way. Be patient and keep going. The pot is almost complete. Trust the process, stay consistent, and remember that beautiful results are always worth waiting for. As the rice cooks, let your heart rest in this truth. Every season of waiting is preparing you for something greater. So I'm adding my corn and raisin. You can see, to make the food look more colorful. Now I am adding the sweet corn and raisin, bringing color, sweetness, and balance to the rice. Life is the same. Every experience adds something valuable to who we become. Everything is in the pot now. I will gently mix it together, cover it with foil, and let it cool without rushing. Yeah, you see, I'm turning it side and side. Sometimes the best thing you can do is prepare well, trust the process, and be patient. Not every blessing arrives instantly. Some of the most beautiful results come quietly while you are simply waiting with faith. Now we let it rest because good things takes time. The rice is perfectly cooked, and now I am giving it one final turn so every grain is coated with all that delicious flavor. Eraza, wa wa sem, eraza, eninyam hine, yechashi, na say. As I served and garnished this beautiful beef pilaf, I reminded that every good result begins with patience, care, and consistency. The same is true in life. Now it's time to prepare a fresh bowl of salad, the perfect companion to this beautiful beef pilaf. Sometimes it's the simple touches that make a meal truly special. Just like these fresh vegetables bring color and freshness to the plate. Kindness, gratitude, and hope bring beauty to our life. A balanced meal nourishes the body, and a grateful heart nourishes the soul. May every bite remind you that even the simplest moments can become the most meaningful when they are shared with love. Let's bring it all together and enjoy a meal made with care, patience, and a happy heart. No matter where you are today, don't stop believing in yourself. Keep showing up, keep learning, and keep giving your best. Your efforts may seem small now, but one day they will become something you are proud. Thank you for spending this moment with me. May your table always be filled with good food, your heart with peace, and your life with endless reasons to smile. Until next time, keep cooking with love and never stop believing that your best is yet to come.